today, bruh, is a big day for the hatch and me and the garage, because we finally fucking got what hopefully is gonna help me bring my hatch to my driveway, which having in the driveway is a huge fucking, a blessing, bro, in so many ways. But we need to open this bitch up, so let's go ahead and do that. But it's here. All right, so if you have a shitty ass driveway like I do and you have a slam car, these are for you. So I already opened them. Now let's go ahead and see what they're really about. Boom, right there. I don't know if you guys want to show me out, Vivor, whatever, but these are their floor mats. Boom. These ran me a pretty penny, but if they could get me to my driveway, they're gonna be so fucking worth it. I fucking pray they were, bro. If I could get my car on the fucking driveway, it's bigger than my wheel. This shit is like, this is legendary. Come on. I don't think they're gonna work.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like I'm too slammed for them to work.
Just try it.
Last one. 3 was perfect too. Maybe 4, but
Well, if we need another one, I'll buy you another one.
I think 4 will be. 3 will be perfect. I think I'm gonna have to put it like way over here, you know?
But they need to be together.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna put those over here because I feel like the angle over here is less aggressive than over here.
Oh, okay. Do you have your car keys?
No, I'm gonna look at my car keys. I'm gonna flip the U. I'm gonna come in and pray to God it fucking works. Ready, and now let's go start the hatch. I think I should push them a little bit more.
It only hit the flaps right here. That's all it hit.
Oh, it went perfect. It went perfect. I was so hyped when I felt it go boom.
Yeah.
You feel like it just throws
Yeah, the
you
only
up.
thing it hit was the little sides. That's
Fuck
it.
that. I know, I heard that. I already know, because my car scrapes, not everywhere. It's not like static people. You see the flames. I don't take out chispas, sparks, whatever you guys call them. I'm not plainly static. I'm low. Trust me, I'm very slammed. Give me this. Look at this. Thank you, babe. Look at that. I'm fucking probably an inch off the front. You go at an angle with these ramps. Shout out to this fucking company, Vivor, whatever they are. I'll put them in the description if you guys have this. Hopefully they give me a shout out or some shit, because this is gonna blow, bruh. We're finally able to put the hatch on the driveway, on the garage. I'm gonna get stupid lighting in here. I'm gonna fucking touch up the garage. All I wanted was my car to finally have its dream wheels, which right here, boys, literally right here. We're gonna have a full video of me throwing them on, cleaning the suspension, getting ready for this fucking summer. Clean as lighting in here, just wait on it. I promise you guys. A lot of content coming through, but bro, there it is. The hatch is finally on the driveway. Oh, what a flex. Now, though, I hope it's not a pain to get out. Which I think it might be a little bit, but if I have to kind of like work with it, it's cool as long as I can get out. But bro, we're in the game again. You know, shout out to my queen right there, my baby. Without her, this wasn't possible, and now finally we can fucking put the hats in here. You guys have no idea how good it feels. It's like so much that goes into it. It's like the wheels. It's about finally doing my oil changes here. It's about keeping the hatch safe. Bro, the summer's coming up. It's like 110 every day. So I'm saving the paint. There's so much that goes into it. I can keep going on. It's a fat list. Today is the day, boys. EK in the garage. Boom. Let me show you guys. Today is the day, bruh. No more holding on. Wheels right here. Now let me get my breaker bar. Get those lug nuts loose and throw on the first wheel. Just like that, boys. Just like that. Always take off your lug nuts when the car's on the ground. Got the jack under. Oh. Feels so good to be able to work on the car up here, bruh. I swear. Let me put it there. There you go. Fuck, it's really time. There it is. I love the blades. They did their justice. Got me a lot of followers on IG and shit, but ain't gonna cut it, boy. They're not gonna cut it forever, you know. They have down the fork though, and they're not going nowhere. But it's time. Oh, they're so little compared to these. Ooh, blades are off. Here come the gram lights. Oh shit. It's time, bruh. It really is time. Gotta be very careful here. They're in. They're in. We are in, boys. I hope it tugs good, like at least to here. Here it is. We need more though. I just pray to God it don't rub, bro, but fuck it's that. Too low. Let's go to the other side. We're in the game, boys. We're in the game. We got that side in the back, that front side done. We got this side done. We just need this side done. So, fuck it. Last little clip before you guys actually see them on. So you guys have again. It's so hard to jack my car up. I'm surprised I don't have to use stands, but let's go for it. Oh, well, first we gotta break up the lug nuts and put my fucking pants together, cut. What the fuck? Oh. Some of you guys are probably gonna be like, put your whole body weight on it. Oh, I don't got time to do that shit. I'm not at work, Cuddy. I'm clocked out, Scud. Let's go. There's the blades, the last gram light. Let's get it. Let's get it. I might need to go higher. Two right there. I don't think you guys are ready. Like I'm ready. I'm gonna put the car outside in the driveway because right here we don't get the best lighting, so I don't want to display them right here properly. We're gonna back it up literally. I just need to torque these fucking lug nuts. I do plan on getting wheel lock for these one day soon. But there they go. Down we go. Let's look at the fitment on the front now. Let me give you guys a close up of it. Not the best lighting. Let me actually turn on the flash for you guys. Tuck tire, tuck tire, tuck tire. Look at that. That is moolah, baby. That's a moolah. There it is. Oh, we need to wash this shit too, bro. It's fucking dirty, but all four are on. Look at that shit. Shit is musty Myers. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead, put the hatch. All four are on. We're gonna put the hatch right there. We're gonna give it a nice little wash. Let's get it, boys. Just got done torquing the lug nuts down. Finna put the tripod right there. Finna put the car right there. But bro, I'm ready. I pray to God they look good. Oh my goodness, time to go see it. Oh boy. It's already looking crazy. Look at that. Fuck yeah. I need a 4 angle now. I'm gonna get this angle real quick.
I have my techniques.
Don't mind little bro playing Fortnite. Oh, we're in the game now, boys. Here we have it, boys. We gotta wash her up because I feel like I'm not as satisfied as I need to be. The fitment is money though. Look at that. It's literally, oh my. Pray to God we don't rub. I might take off this weather stripping thing. You know what? We're taking it off right now. And then I heard that shit is like the #1 cause to rust. So we're gonna take that out. Hey, when it's about fitment, boys, that shit matters. So there it is. We took that out. Final fucking Lee. I have a hot glue gun, so all that looks shitty right now, but that gave us another inch or two, I guess. Yeah, honestly, it did. Now let's take off this side. This is like the #1 rust spot for all Hondas. Oh yeah, that would have rubbed easily. Boom, off it. Now we got the little gap. This, don't worry about this. We'll take all that out. But look, bro, this shit needs a wash. Look at the fitment on the front. Now we need an alignment and a wash. With the quickness, fucking pressure wash set up. Look at that. Oh my God. That is money. I need more low though. Bro. There it is. I think I just gotta get used to it, honestly. I do gotta get used to it. But fuck. Let's wash it though. Let's wash it. I'm so fucking excited, boys. Rims, it's different because it's like super new. It's not like faded silver like the blades are. So it kind of goes with the car because they're messed up, car's messed up. But this is like something huge, yo. Like this changes the whole appearance to it. Fuck. Let's wash it though, let's wash it. So we got the car nice and washed up. We're losing daylight, sadly, but I'm gonna go take it on a ride, post up somewhere, and hopefully get a vid for y'all. Let's get it. All right, today's a new day. Yesterday I didn't get to film much because it got dark on us, and today I do have work. I'm on my way to work, but I felt like I should get you guys these shots. But bro, now that the car's washed, honestly, they look amazing, dude. They look crazy. Look at that. It's right there with the fender. That's the fitment I was looking for right there, bro. But that is in the game. Thank God, man. Kidding. Fuck, man. It's crazy. I really have them. I really got the Grammys, bruh. I finally won my first Grammy. Look at that, though. Hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah. We're in the game. That shit looks too clean. One day we're gonna get this car repainted and it's gonna look even cleaner. Finally got some daylight. There it is. Yeah, damn. Look at your boy though. One finger game. Damn, that shit's smashed down. How we feeling? How we feeling? Let your boy know. We are aligning it today at work, so trying to not run camber. We're gonna see what we can do to not run camber. But there we have it, man. I think I just gotta get used to it. Super different from what I have. But honestly, I got these not only for the hatch. I do plan on getting a EK soon, a coupe. So I feel like these look better on the EK coupe, but don't get me wrong, these look nasty on the hatch. But yeah, boys, we're out here. Let me know what you guys think about the rims. Honestly, they're hella clean. Let me get it closer for y'all. Boom, right there. You see it, man? I'm gonna get some flicks real quick. It's the alignment time, boys. And got the rear right here. I need a new muffler. This one's hella clapped out. There it is. No, pinche cámara. Damn. Got my boy over there, Oscar, working on the car. I'm over here trying to fucking replace the battery on this shit. We're trying to get out of here, man. We've been here too long. It's a Saturday too while we're doing this, so I'm trying to get out of here. Off the alignment finally, and off the clock. Now I just gotta put on my bumper because we had to take off my bumper. So let's go ahead and do that. There it is. Just close shop. Shout out to my boy Oscar right there. We were able to fucking align the car. We do plan on rolling the fenders and then maybe going lower. But we'll see. Cause I still have like, I think I have like 2.9 camber here, and then 2.2 right there, which is not bad, and then the toe perfect, and then the rear I think we're like at 1.8 and then 1.9 camber, and we're trying to get it as much camber. We don't want camber. What I want is not camber, but you can see right here as we drive, the H is straight, so it's not all like over here while it's going straight, you feel me? So that's good. But my boy Oscar has a cool little taggy right there. That's my boy right here. He's giving it clash with the rollers. We're back home, boys. Let me know what you guys think, bruh. I fucking adore him. I just adore him. What can I say? I'm not sure how long the vid is already, but a couple days now with the rims on, 2-3 days. And yeah, I kind of recorded a lot of moments. Just displaying the wheels. Like I said, this is a pretty cool little ride height in my opinion. I do want to go lower, but then I'd basically be static, which I don't want to. We are getting new side skirts. If you guys want to guess down below which ones I'm getting, if you get it right, I guess you'll get pinned or some shit. But yeah, we're getting new side skirts just to go with that bulkiness I'm trying to go with on the car, because I feel like with the big lip in the front and the rear, it looks a bit awkward in the middle right there, that big old gap. So we're getting some side skirts for that. And but yeah, let me know what you guys think about the wheels. I'm very satisfied. In the beginning when we threw them on, I was like, I don't know, like I paid this much for, but no bro, look at this. People go through 7-6 sets trying to get good fitment, and look at that fitment right there, bro. It doesn't get better than that. It's not crazy camber. This is an amazing setup. And honestly, ending this week, I'm very satisfied with the wheels. Super satisfied. They're amazing. They truly are. I mean, just look at that. God damn, you just can't go wrong with them. But in the next vid, I do plan on, we're gonna be waxing the car, because as you guys can see right there, my stupid ass washed the car in the sun, and now we have those. But I actually tested this out for my first time ever, and you guys can see that spot right here doesn't have them, because I actually hit it with this, and this part does. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess teach you guys how to wax. Next vid, I've never ever waxed my car or did like a proper, you know, something like this. So I think that's what it needs. There's a lot of little stuff it needs, especially because coming up soon we do have a huge event here where I live that I really want you guys to tune in for. And yeah, as you guys seen too, we could finally park it up here, so more vids in the garage and shit. That's gonna be dope for y'all. Blades are gonna stay in the mix. And yeah man, it's crazy. It's gonna get daily tomorrow on some gram lights. But thank y'all for watching. Fuck bro, it looks clean as shit, I'm not gonna lie. Especially when it's like in level ground, it looks even cleaner. But yeah, those side skirts that are coming in, bro, fucking shit, they're gonna be the cherry on the top. But let me know what you guys think about the wheels. Would you get them? And yeah, honestly, they're amazing, yo. Look at that fitment, dude. That's amazing. People die for that. But yeah, see y'all boys on the next one. Like I said, next one we're gonna be detailing the car. Machin. But thank y'all for watching, man. Love y'all. To the next one. Peace.